Alright, we have my Sony Handycam here, and unfortunately when we went to look at it today, we just get this white screen, and the only time I can get a non-white screen is if you flip it over like this. So after fiddling around on YouTube, I'm going to see if I can take this apart, because there might be a loose ribbon. So let's see how we can do it. Alright, I got these nails off. There was a nail here and a nail here, but I cannot get this back off. I don't want to break it. Alright, I finally got the back off. Now I'm going to try to take these ribbons off and put them back on, because I think one of them is loose. Okay, I couldn't hold the camera and do this at the same time, but there's a little black lever above each of these little cables, and I lifted it up, took out the ribbon, stuck it back in, and closed the little black lever. And now we're going to see if that worked. And here comes the moment of truth. Okay, here comes the moment of truth. I'm going to push the power on. And we got a screen! We have got a screen.
Yeah, you fixed my video camera.
We fixed the video camera for now.
So now I can make more Mario videos.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
How does it work? Because there's like, I don't see any camera on the back.
It's coming from right here. This.
Oh.
See where my finger is? La la.
How'd you take this part off?
It was a mess. We had to take some screws out, and here's what it looks like. I had to take these little ribbons out and stick them back in.
Oh, ribbons.
What it looks like? Yeah, be careful, don't touch it. It looks like it worked. And now I got to put this back on, and I think we're all done. Well, I thought I had it fixed. I put it all together, open it back up, and oh, it's working. It was giving me the white screen, so I don't know. Let's try closing it again and opening it again. Oh, white screen. So I'm not sure. Oh, and it's working. Huh. Well, it seems to be on the iffy side right now, but we're gonna see how long this holds out. Try one more time. White screen. White screen. And now it works. Well, sometimes I get the white screen and sometimes I get this, and we're going to call that a win, because before I couldn't get a picture at all. So I guess that's how you fix it. Bye.